In today's day and age with the world of social media, we have the ability to really interact with people and potential clients and current clients in a whole new way, because we have this medium that allows us to send messages and to do things on our end to tease and play with and interact from a building standpoint, from a contract standpoint, from a just interacting with people standpoint. So what we do is with a new client is we mess with them. So if we know that we click, we've met them, they've met us, we've chosen them as a client, they've chosen us as a builder, it gives us now the ability to play. And one of the things we did, we had X Marks the Spot here at the show, was a client that we're building a pool for. We've been continually messing with by sending Facebook videos or YouTube videos about their project, but not showing them what it was.
So every once in a while we kind of build models for pool projects. And
has the customer seen it yet?
Oh no. And then you can see what it is, okay?
Okay.
1, 2.
And teasing them in every way possible that we could keep them reaching for more.
Last week we had put out a video about doing, we had a model, a really cool model for people to see, and unbeknownst to us, the film cut out right as we were exposed, going to show you the model. And I know we didn't realize it when we published it. We got a lot of feedback about people were mad at us and disappointed that they didn't get to see it. So why don't you come on in here and we'll go ahead and get to the model here. But it is really awesome. Hey, what are you doing?
Oh my goodness!
And by doing that, you build a really deep relationship. And that's what's most important, is can we build a relationship and fall in love with a customer every day more than we loved them yesterday? Can we love them more today? And that's by doing that, by creating that interaction, it becomes an individual interaction that you can never have with someone else. That's the other part of why we do what we do, is we love it so much, but we want to draw you in so that you can love it just as much. And that's what that is all about, is staying engaged in a whole new way. And it takes relationships to a whole new level. And it's no longer construction. Now it's having an experience and building a memory. And that's what we want to make sure, that we're leaving a part of us with them and they become a part of who we are.
Oh! Tell you, it has been a crazy week for this model. I've built it, rebuilt it. Here it is in all its glory, and I'm sick and tired of it.